Well, we've made our poster advert. What's the next thing that we've got to do then? Well, if we look at the sample assessment material, the questions, this asked us to advertise in the event 5 marks. You want to advertise the event on social media. You want to attract local parents to the event at the community. Which platform would you choose and why? And you'd have to put in here what it would be. Facebook, because you maybe want to meet more people, reach more people. Maybe they've got a community page, Instagram and stuff like that. You'll probably need to say though which platform you would choose and why. Is that Facebook and Instagram don't allow you to put Word documents in there, so that you would have to say, I will upload a picture. To do that, I'd take a screenshot or a snipping tool and then upload a picture. And I'm just going to show you how you could do that for the people that may be interested. So here we've got our poster that we did before. And now if I'm going to I'm going to use the snipping tool to take a picture of that and then save it as a picture. So I'm going to go to the start menu. And here I've clicked on snipping tool. And it comes up with this, and I'm going to click new. And then I'm going to take a snip of that there. And then it will come up and it'll give me this menu, and I could annotate it if I wanted to, but I'm going to save it. So I'm going to click File, Save there. And where do I want to save it? Well, I'm going to save it in Documents. And just for the sake of this, I'm going to put it in the EDSQ folder, Task 2. And I'm going to call it Advert. I'll call it Nigel as well. Okay, I get the option here. I can save it as a JPEG, or I could save it as a PNG. So that's fine. I'm going to save it as a JPEG. Click Save, and I've now got a picture that I could upload onto either Facebook, Instagram, X, or anywhere that I wanted to. So I would do that. It would then ask me to create a post to share on your chosen platform, and then you'd have to come up with something. Come and see our Internet Safety Day, pop in at any time. You may want to use the conventions for that platform as well. So for example, using hashtags, Internet Safety Day, something like that. Or so you could say DM me, which means direct message me for more information, or contact me directly or something like that. So you would need to come in with and write out a post for that to get the full marks. The next question then is searching for information, and I'm going to do that as a separate video. So this was searching for information. This is 13 marks, and that's what we're going to do as a separate video. So hopefully finishing off that question was all right for you. Advertising. I have had somebody in the past say they advertise it on Facebook, but because it was a Word document, they wouldn't get a mark for it. They lost a mark. You need to say that you'd advertise it on Facebook and then advertise it as a picture. So take a photo or snipping tool of your poster and then upload it that way. And then you could also print it off and stick it up wherever you wanted as well. Hopefully that's okay for you.